Welcome. I am N.S. Lavanya, Assistant Professor, Department of English, KCS Kasinadar College of Arts and Science. In this video, I am going to teach action verbs, which is a part of communicative English prescribed by University of Madras for all UG courses. Let's have a look at the types of action verbs. There are two types of action verbs: transitive verbs and intransitive verbs. Transitive verbs. It expresses an action directed towards a person, place or thing. The action expressed by a transitive verb passes from the doer or the subject to the receiver of the action. Words that receive the action of the transitive verb are called objects. Look at the explanation given. The teacher made the question paper. Peter cut the cake. In the above two sentences, you can see the words, the question paper and the cake complete the sense of the sentence or work as objects. The two sentences would not make complete sense without the objects. The teacher made what? The question paper. Peter cut what? The cake. In the above sentences, the verbs made and cut are transitive verbs. A transitive verb needs a direct object to complete its meaning. I hope you understood the thing well when I say the examples of transitive verb. Birds have feathers. The teacher praised the people. She is eating a pear. I like English. They are playing football. The potter has made a beautiful pot. Dennis bought a bicycle. She is writing an essay. In all the sentences, there is an object. It makes us understand that these are all transitive verb. I hope you understood the meaning of transitive verb. Let's go to intransitive verb. Intransitive verbs. A verb which does not need an object to make complete sense is called an intransitive verb. It expresses action, that is, tells something about the subject without the action passing to a receiver or object. It can stand alone in a predicate because its meaning is complete. Let's look at the examples. Mr. Becker jogs every day. The wicked hunter was hiding. Annie looks very beautiful. Mr. John speaks loudly. The ship sank rapidly. The department store opens at 6 o'clock. Mr. Ben is driving carefully. The wind blew strongly. In all the sentences, you need not have the object to complete the sentence. This is called as intransitive verb. If you want to check your activity to determine if a verb is transitive, ask yourself who or what after the verb. If you can find an answer in the sentence, then it is a transitive verb. Some transitive verbs have two objects. Those things that you do for someone or you give to someone are called direct objects. The person who receives the thing is called the indirect object. This is called as a double objects. Examples are given here. The manager gave her the money. Mother is reading Michael a story. Nancy baked a cake for me. Can you fetch me a cup and a plate? The explanation is that verbs in all the sentences are gave, reading, baked and fetch. Indirect objects are her, Michael, me and me in the last sentence. Direct objects are money, story, cake, cup and a plate in the last sentence. I hope you understood the meaning of transitive and intransitive verbs. Practice regularly. Thanks for watching. We meet again in the next video with another interesting topic.